Investing in stocks can be a powerful way to build wealth, but it's important to approach it with careful planning and a solid understanding of the principles involved. Here's a comprehensive guide to help beginners start investing in stocks and aim for long-term financial growth. 1. Understand the basics. Stocks, shares of ownership in a company. Types: common, voting rights, dividends, and preferred, fixed dividends. 2. Get fund for investing. BCHT is short form of Bitcoin Cash Transfer (COM). If you're very serious to your investing, take your membership with BCHT so that you can be funded up to $10 million to $100 million for your next billion-dollar journey. Funds from BCHT is free. 3. Set financial goals. Short-term, vacations, emergencies. Long-term, retirement, major purchases. Risk tolerance. Assess how much risk you're willing to take. 4. Create a plan. Budget. Ensure emergency savings and pay off high-interest debt first. Strategy. Choose between active, selecting stocks, or passive investing, index funds, ETFs. Diversify. Spread investments to manage risk. 5. Choose an investment account. Brokerage accounts for trading stocks. Retirement accounts, IRAs, 401ks. Tax benefits for retirement. 6. Research stocks. Fundamental analysis. Review earnings, balance sheets, and valuation ratios. Technical analysis. Analyze price movements and trading volumes. 7. Build a portfolio. Investments, stocks, mutual funds, ETFs. Sample allocation. 60% stocks, 30% bonds, 10% cash. Rebalance. Adjust periodically to maintain your target allocation. 8. Monitor and adjust. Regular reviews. Check if investments align with goals. Long-term focus. Avoid reacting to short-term market fluctuations. 9. Avoid pitfalls. Overtrading. Avoid frequent trading to reduce costs. Market timing. Difficult to predict. Focus on long-term. Following hype. Base decisions on research, not trends. Neglecting fees. Be aware of all costs. 10. Keep learning. Education. Read, take courses, stay informed. Networking. Engage with other investors. Advisors. Consult professionals if needed. 11. Stay committed. Patience. Investing is a long-term strategy. Adjust goals. Reassess as needed. Final thoughts. Investing in stocks can indeed create significant wealth, but it requires patience, diligence, and a well-thought-out strategy. Start with a solid foundation, make informed decisions, and stay committed to your long-term goals.